Alright, so we're here at the shop. Forgive me, I've shaved. Alright, Dustin, what we got?
Well, first and foremost is the first project.
Oh man.
Brink and trike. Mixture of bike,
Cool.
four-wheeler, tractor parts, chain.
That's
Anything and
cool. It runs?
Carburetor might be out too. It moves.
It moves.
Yeah, got my handbrake.
Dude, sit on it. I want to see what you look like when you sit on it.
Well, I kind of broke it last time.
Ready? You got it? Now let's see what it's got.
I don't got it. Definitely tell I need to tighten that belt though.
Alright, want to shoot lighter fluid in it? Didn't know like it.
Carburetor might be out.
So we do a push start?
Can't pop the clutch. Try it in neutral. Ready?
It's like it's not igniting.
Yeah. Okay, let's push it.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Oh.
Mixture projects. We got this right here. It's a 81 Honda GL 500.
Okay.
Pretty much I'm doing a full top to bottom restoration on it. Cafe racer.
Okay.
So right now.
Oh, it's drive shaft driven, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah.
So working on the motor. Got that taken apart over there.
Oh, you got the motor up on the bench?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at it. Yeah, you guys got a lot of stuff lying around. Y'all been working hard.
Yeah, been about 4 weeks on this bike.
Okay.
Clean the inside here, new oil filter. We cleaned the heads.
Yeah, the heads look good.
It was a color Sherwin-Williams never heard of when we opened it. And of course, all the
knick-knack parts.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, I dropped my bag and I don't know what this goes to anymore, but I'll figure it out.
Let's go see what we got over here. It is cold this morning. It is. Yeah, it is really cold. It was like 28 when I looked at the gauge on the dash in the truck. It was cold.
So here's one project where we're going to start.
Oh, the Derby.
Little things on the 40s, I believe.
Wow.
And then that's not on our top list.
This is the newest project right here?
Yeah. I think it's a 2008 Hammerhead 250 SS.
Okay.
I've been eyeballing it for the past 6 months, and finally I saw the property owner outside, and I went and asked him how much he wants for it.
Yeah.
And he's like, if you can haul it, you can have it. So we grabbed the gator and pulled it off.
Wow.
So it's free. I love free.
And that's most of your projects, right? You grab old equipment that you sandblast and resurface.
I like to do budget builds.
Budget builds?
Not everyone can afford like brand new, you know, $200, $300 parts. I mean, hell, a
Right.
new carburetor for that thing is freaking $500.
Wow.
So I like taking broken down rust and seeing if you know what the average Joe can do. So
Yeah, we're gonna have to document this build so we can definitely see this is the before, and then we'll start looking at the after.
well, the motor is not going to be on there forever.
Oh, really? What's your plans on it?
I'll show you. So I have a knack of finding deals.
Yeah.
Some people will tell me about it. Sometimes I'll find it. But these bikes over here, the 81 GL 500, and the other bike is the 81 Honda 400 Honda Medic.
Oh, I see it hidden back here.
So I picked both of these bikes up for $200,
Really?
$100 each. So the 400 has compression.
Okay.
The 250 I don't think does. So we're gonna put the 400 Honda Medic
Okay.
onto that go-kart.
Really?
They're both this one's they're both chain driven, so it's set up.
Really?
So figured I'd boost it up a little.
Oh.
Up in. You ready? Let me
Hold on. What? All right, do I have to do anything besides steer? You go a little more?
Nope.
Nope.
Yeah,